Hello friends, yesterday we have studied this much of counters for today's trading. Out of that, Federal Bank is up 4%, HAL up 3.5%, Indian Hotel up to 5%, it went closed at 3%. Axis Bank, I showed a setup to buy here, it was up 2.5%. Federal Bank, I updated around 134.60 in a live market. Within 2 days, it has touched 142. HL also, HL is all-time high counter. It has fresh breakout again. And LTM I said, these all the counters which I recommended yesterday on different setups. Even IndusInd, it is showing some support at 20 EMA. It can blast anytime if it holds that. Okay. Today we will check what is for next day's trading, that is tomorrow. First we'll go with the Nifty. Nifty has touched 50 EMA few days back. This brown color is 50 EMA. Currently it's touching 20 EMA, which is 19,472, which is today's high. So Nifty is in a range. If for any fresh breakout, it has to take out this. There is a double bottom also. If it able to break this zone, it will see much higher of at least 100. It's probably 260 to 470, 200 points more. If it breaks 470 or 475, it can go 200 points more. So keep eye on Nifty. This is not just for tomorrow. Any day if it breaks this level, it will go this level. Another is Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank was a surprise for most of the guys. It has been consolidated, and when it took yesterday's high, it just blasted off. Now it took a resistance at 20 EMA and closed at 50 EMA. So above this, there will be a bout of short covering in Bank Nifty. So it can move further if it breaks 44,526. Keep an eye on that level. Oh, don't touch that. If it breaks in opening may be glitches. After some times, if it trades above 44,500, surely Bank Nifty will go up. Okay. Another counter which I like is Ashok Leyland for tomorrow. It is at 52-week high, almost near to 52-week high. Last 4 days highs are same, almost same. So once it takes out this, we can consider its buying. Last 4 days high is 189.30 to 189.30. So 189.30, this stock is good. Above 189.30, this stock can take new high and have a momentum upside. Another stock which I like is Federal Bank. I told few days back. Again, there is still a momentum. It's near all-time high. It can take all-time high in this move also. Another counter which I like is HAL. This is also having a breakout with the very big range candle. You can always trust the breakout with the range candle. So any dip up to this level, up to 4020 or 4010 or 3990, you can consider buying. This has another big momentum left. This rally is not over yet. Another stock which is very tricky, have a strict stop loss while trading. See, this is the stock of this month, August. After July expiry, August, this stock has rallied very nicely. Currently consolidating two wild move between 150 to 170. Now it is quoting at 152, taking a rest as 20 EMA. It's also inside bar. So if this setup holds, we can rally a little bit further here, at least 160 and all. Keep eye on this stock. Another stock is L&T. Even yesterday I recommended this. Today it has seen a fresh breakout. Yesterday I recommended before the breakout. So up to 2700, 2693, any dip you can buy this stock. This is another stock to keep in a watch list for coming days. Mahindra and Mahindra. This is also all-time high stock. I like all-time high stocks more. I can trust the breakouts there. It has seen a breakout and retesting. Also, there is a 20 EMA at 1530. Now quoting at 1542. So if it touches here, or we can buy anywhere, keeping the stop loss below this 20 EMA. Expect a good momentum in coming days. These are the views for tomorrow. I have chosen very few stocks. Okay, keep watching this. Put a proper stop loss, trade with your own analysis. Also, if you like my video, please click like button Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.